Yes, sir. We back. You know what I'm saying? So, what do I not like about having a bike? What do I not like about having a bike? Number one, this is off the top of the head. I ain't really wrote nothing. I ain't really, even thought about nothing. Number one, the weather, bro. The goddamn weather, man. If it's raining, you can't ride. If it's hot, you can ride, but you're gonna be dying. You gotta keep moving. Once you stop, you're gonna drop or flop or call a doc, cause your ass gonna be dehydrated or something. It's rough. It's rough if you ain't what you call it? It's rough if you ain't got what's the word, nigga? I don't know if you ain't got if you ain't ventilate, if you're not even ventilate right, if you ain't well prepared in the heat, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be tough. The weather, you know what I'm saying. Number two, traffic. It's like all these cars, man, and they driving crazy, but after a while you get used to that. But like, still, that's number two, traffic. Like, you don't want to be sitting in traffic. You don't want to be doing none of that. That's number two, traffic. Number three, what's number three? Bike life. Man, what's number three, man? I don't know. I'm trying to think. Well, I say the weather, the traffic. That's the big two things right there. The weather and the traffic, and like, I'm riding by this bike shop over here, bro, see what's up. Cause this is a bike shop over here, man. I need to see what's up. I think it's over here. Yeah, it's over there. Oh, nah, it's over there. Excuse me. They heard me. I be thinking people could hear me, bro. Hear me, bro. Hear me. Now the bike shop is over there, right? But it's over there. I'm not trying to go right now. I gotta go a little later on because I got other shit to do. I was just trying to, get familiar. Trying to get familiar. Oh, man, go, bro. What the hell? Alright. Number three. Man, I'm like, I need to watch somebody else's video. Like, why they don't like riding a bike, bro? And see what the hell, and see what's up. Cause, I mean, the weather, goddamn, right? Yeah, true that. The traffic, yeah, these niggas can't drive. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see what that'd be like. Nah, but bro, I'm stuck, man. it like stuck. It's not even, I would say the police, man, on the popo, but like the popo don't even be fucking with me, bro. I get past the popo like, he about to get me, man. They just keep going, he don't even be messing with me. So that's it. The weather and the goddamn traffic. But that's two tough things. But them two things, I guess like them two things. Oh, look at the bridge at 45. Oh, we got. And this is what I like. Open road, that's not what this video about. I gotta give y'all one more. I gotta give y'all number 3. Everything is cheap insurance. You know what I'm saying? Cheap parts and shit. Cheap insurance, cheap parts. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I'm in first, bro. I need to get that gear indicator, no cap or locker. You know what I'm saying? Cheap insurance, cheap parts, bro. I'm trying to think of something bad. What the hell? The weather. I'm just dumb today. Oh, you dumb, nigga. Oh, okay. Number 3 is the possibility of crashing. I guess what you call that, the fear rate or some shit. I don't know. You know, with the possibility of having an effed up day, crashing. You know what I'm saying? And just, you know, all the crazy crash stories. That's number 3. There we go. Yeah, bro. So I guess the next video is gonna be, what do I like about riding a bike? And you probably think, oh, this might be crazy. Cause you probably think, man, I'm just about to go off because I couldn't even think of nothing bad to say. So I must have a lot of good to say. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows what the hell gonna happen, bro? You feel me? When I make this video about what I like about riding, who knows what's gonna happen, bro? Is there a lake over here? There is a lake over here, bro. I'm about to go fishing. Nigga, I'm about to go fishing, nigga. I'm about to go fishing. Oh, around the curves. Oh, lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it. Yeah, boy, we leaning a little bit. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Can't be going too fast around these curves. Bro. Leaning with it, rocking with it right now, boy. What are you saying? I'm going 37. Oh, we about to turn around, though. Lean with it, rock with it, lean with it. So we cruising around this neighborhood in third gear. I guess that what I don't like about riding video is over with, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You dig?